Having an aesthetically appealing design is fundamental in applications. We cannot emphasize enough how important app designing is for your app's success. Designing is the part of a bigger picture, which is the app development process. But the question is, how much does it cost to design an app? The answer to this question is somewhat similar to the question, how much does it cost to build an app? There is no one cost for app designing, as many factors come together to create a final cost. This isn't a very satisfactory answer, right? Well, we think so as well. But worry not, we are here to your rescue. Today we'll talk about factors that contribute to app design cost, how to find app design cost, and how you can control this cost. While determining something's value, we need to think from different angles and determine what adds to this cost. In the app design context, these factors are the stages of the designing process. By adding up the cost of these stages, we can get a rough estimate of the total app design cost. The first stage of the app designing process is planning. Do you know that not just the app features, but also the app designs require intensive planning? App designers can identify the strengths and weaknesses of the app project and make timely changes to it through planning. Being in the app development sector for more than 8 years now, we have witnessed numerous app projects fail because the app design wasn't well planned. And when we talk about thorough planning, we expect this stage to take around 20 to 30 hours and cost $200 to $600. But with this investment, you will get validation of the ideas which you want to add to your app. Based on this planning, you can conduct an analysis of your design. An analysis is useful as it will allow you to identify and eliminate features that are lowering the app's performance. This stage is expected to take 20 to 40 hours and will cost around $200 to $800. Now that you know what exactly to add to your app and remove from it, it is time we go into the actual designing phase. The designing stage itself is highly complex and is divided into two parts, which are UX design and visual design. While sketching and UX wireframing are a part of the UX design, visual design is mainly concerned with mood board creation, UI mockup options, and finalized mockups. We can expect this stage to take anywhere from 50 to 150 hours, and the cost can be $900 to $2,000. Once designed, you think the app is all ready and finalized, right? Well, you are just one step away. All apps are prone to bugs and errors, and these are especially common in app design. Therefore, it is always recommended to undertake extensive app design testing. We have often witnessed that underestimating the importance of testing has resulted in failures for applications. Therefore, by investing a fair amount of time in testing the app design, one can enhance the app's performance and deliver a better UI. We expect this stage to take 6 to 20 hours and cost around $60 to $200. Now that we know what adds to the app design cost, it is also worth knowing the side factors that can influence this cost. Even when we consider all these steps of app design, the price can vary heavily. The first factor which can impact the app design cost is development location. Let's get this straight, the app designing costs vary from country to country. This is mainly because of the salary differences. Here is an estimate of how much it will cost to design an app, from end to start in different countries. Another factor similar to designing location is the type of team you want to hire for app designing. When you hire an in-house team, you need to invest in infrastructure, therefore increasing the overall costs. On the other hand, by outsourcing app design to an agency, you can get equal outputs at a comparatively lower price. Take a look at how each team choice will impact the final cost of the app designing process. The last factor that impacts app design cost is the complexity of the app. Every application is unique and has its own set of features and complexities. The more features you want to add to the app, the more screens the designers have to design. As a general rule, the apps are categorized on the basis of small, medium, and complex sizes. Each of these apps has its unique app design cost, along with other supporting factors. This was all about factors that can influence app design cost. Hold on, the video isn't over yet. We are yet to discuss factors that can help cut down app designing costs. As we promised at the start of the video, here are the top ways through which you can save app designing costs. The first tip is to choose the right location. Remember we told you that app designing costs vary from country to country. By choosing the right country for app designing, you can significantly save on costs. In this matter, outsourcing app designing is the best possible option. You can either outsource app designing services from an agency or a freelancer from countries like India or Ukraine, where costs are lower. This will ensure that you receive high-quality app designs while saving money. The second way to cut down on app design costs is MVP development. The fewer screens the designers have to create, the less they will charge. By having the most necessary features in your app, you can cut down on app designing costs and also deliver your app in a shorter time span to the users. This option is best if you are on a tight budget, as you can always add more features to the app later. The last option is to build simple designs for your app. The more complex your features are, the more the designers have to work. Therefore, by limiting the use of animation in your website, you can save a significant sum of money. However, this method is not recommended because you will be compromising on user experience if your website looks unappealing. Which of these options to choose will depend upon your budget and needs from the application. This was it for the question, how much does it cost to design an application? We hope you received clarity on your answer. If not, you don't need to worry, as we have already done the calculations. An average application can take anywhere from $1,500 to $28,000 to be designed. This is a huge range, right? Well, if you want to find the exact designing cost of your app, you can consult an app development company. If you haven't found any such company yet, we are here for your service. We are the Gray Bear, the leaders in app designing and development. We offer top-notch app designs that add value to our solutions. With more than 8 years in app designing and development, our app designers are able to deliver the best app designs that enhance your app. You can connect with us today and receive a free consultation from our experts who can tell you how much your app will cost to design. If you want more detailed information on app design costing, you can check the link in the description box for our blog on the topic. Thank you for watching the video until the end. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from us. We will see you again in our next video with another interesting topic.